Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to discuss something very important because many a times when you have correct data using Google Forms, and when you're using Google Forms, you want the users or the respondents of your Google Form to provide accurate information, and in that case you end up providing them with three separate fields, one for the first name, the other one for the middle name, and the third one for the surname. And when you convert the response into an Excel document, this is what you get, with the first name in column A, the middle name in column B, and the surname in column C. Now, we know very well that many a times that you want to store all the three names together, and in most cases perhaps you even want to transfer this list to somebody else, and people have been getting a challenge on how to generate these three names. So some may opt to go for typing, but now typing will be challenging because one, it will cost you a lot of time. At the same time, if you are not so good in a particular language, you may end up missing various symbols that may completely depict a new meaning in the name. So today I'm going to show you an Excel function that is so powerful that can help you in doing that. And the function that we're going to discuss is known as the concatenate function. So as we discuss that function, allow me now to erase this one so that we can discuss the function. So what you do is that you click on this cell, and just like with any other Excel function, you put an equal sign and then you type the function name, which is concatenate. Concatenate is a common term in technology. It simply means that you are linking two or more strings. Even in programming, it is used when you want to link the output of in an output and you want to have two or more strings. Now, in this case, after you type the function name and you put the opening parenthesis, it requires you to put the text that you want to concatenate. Now, our text is in cells. So what you do is that you just click on this first cell, which contains the first name, then you put a comma, follow that comma with two double quotes. The reason as to why we are putting these two double quotes is so that we can have some white space between the first name and the subsequent names. Then you put a comma, select the second name or the cell containing the second name, then put a comma, put some double quotes for purposes of white space, put a comma, and then select the cell containing the third name, and then finally close the parenthesis. And once you click enter, you realize that the three names are now put in one cell. So you can see we have John William Doe. And now you can repeat the same for Charles Philip Arthur, the King of United Kingdom. Now, in this case, if you have been watching my video and you have subscribed to this channel, you know that that one will cost you time, and there is a technique that is much friendly and easier to use, which is just clicking on this cell and then putting your cursor here, and then you drag down so that you apply the formula to all the other cells, and you can be able to see that all the way from where we have John William Doe and up to where we have the Barack Obama, we have been able to do the linking of the three texts. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share our videos.